Hello everybody, this is Charlie's Trains. We have a steam locomotive, 6-wheel pulling Santafe boxcars around. We got 3 Santafe engines, 218 pulling passenger cars from Santa Fe. Over here we have a dual engine diesel for Amtrak pulling Amtrak passenger cars. Over here we have another Amtrak come around a bend pulling passenger cars. Come around the roundhouse. Everything's looking good. And if you could, please subscribe to me on YouTube. It's Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains, and it's 9169. I appreciate it, and have a great day.